Hello, my name is Anne. I'm from the Technical University of Munich, and this is my team's submission for the 2025 Altair Student AI Contest. We aim to demonstrate how AI technologies, especially Altair AI Studio, are transforming and simplifying the design process for engineers all over the world. Unfortunately, we do not have the resources to construct real helicopters. Therefore, we will illustrate the principle using simplified eVTOLs. Let's jump in.
This is the part where we used Altair AI Studio to classify the eVTOLs. First, we start by loading in the data. Then we choose Predict because we want to predict the class. And then we select the relevant input parameters. After that, we choose the model with the highest accuracy, and this is based on the runs before. Then we just have to wait for the results to load, and once they have loaded, we can check the influence of each parameter. Here we can also see the most likely class for a certain configuration. After that, we can save the model for later use. With the help of AI Studio, we were able to train a prediction model that can be used for grading different parameter configurations. The influence of certain parameters can easily be studied and visualized. This reduces the experimental effort a lot.
This may not be a real aircraft, yet its design process illustrates the broad efficiency gains AI offers engineers. No matter whether it's a helicopter, a car, or a computer, the resources used for prototyping and testing can be cut drastically. We are excited to see what the future holds. Thank you for your attention.